Today I'll be showing Vc&Flamingo and roasting little kids. Let's see how it goes. Miss Girl, who's murderer? Girl! Don't go over there! Yo! She's gonna go on. You freaking camp on your face! Girl, like, imagine camping, like, you're not good at the game, like, this don't camp. Like, girl, I don't care. Do you hate campers?
I mean, I don't really care.
Hello. Hey, girlie, I like your little... Okay, Dora. Okay. Come on. I was doing so good until you shot me. I was doing so good until you shot me.
I hate fly.
Like, oh.
Earrings! 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 Earrings!
Hey.
Ow! Yeah! Oh!
This is the worst made game I have ever played in my whole entire life.
He's playing a sunboard. Yeah, it sounds like sunboard.
That's all I did. That's literally all I did. And I got VC banned for 5 minutes!
This is the worst made game I have ever played in my whole entire life.
Let's make it better. Become a civic.
Money's a twin.
No.
He needs some milk!
Okay.
Oh my god.
No! That is not Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson is not.
Come fast. I love the game. No.
Okay.
No. No.
I'm freaking tall, and I don't want that.